Hello everyone, welcome to this video. And in this video I want to show you how you can actually trade boom and crash without, or I would say with almost not losing. Yes, I'll put it that way because this strategy is a strategy that I've texted it and it's encompassing. It's a strategy that is reliable and it's one of my own personal strategies, so it will do yourself a lot of good if you actually stick to the end of this video so that I can show you how you can actually be profitable using this strategy. So this strategy is a strategy that first of all recognizes the trend and also uses the confirmation of candlestick patterns. Yes, candlestick patterns, candlestick formation patterns. So if you've been struggling with how you could actually use candlesticks as confirmation before your entry, this is the right video for you, and I'll be giving you an indicator that is going to make life absolutely easy for you. So stick to the end of this video and you're going to see how you can download this indicator for yourself for free at no cost. Yes, so my name is Leke Cosby Finance, and if you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the bell button so you get notifications whenever videos like these are being uploaded. And also, please, if you have comments or you have questions, you could put in the comment section below, or you could actually contact me. My contact details are in the description below. So quickly, looking at this setup, how can you actually use it to trade boom and crash? Now, this setting is the same with either on your PC or your mobile phone, whichever is convenient for you. You can actually use this same setting to trade for yourself. The only thing is this indicator can only be used, that's the candlestick pattern indicator can only be used on PC. So quickly now, this setup is quite easy. Now, number one is you need to know your trend, the trend of the market. And how do you know that? Through the use of moving averages. Now, I'm using two moving averages. I have the 200 and I also have the 400. Yes, so, and they are both exponential, so give them different colors that suits what you like to use. So now the next thing you need to do is to add this indicator to your chart. Yes, if you have good knowledge of chart pattern if you have a good knowledge of candlestick formation, candlestick patterns, then you might not necessarily need this indicator. Then you can actually trade it off your PC, your mobile phone. But if peradventure you don't know or really have much understanding of how candlestick patterns, what they do and how to recognize them, you can check one of my videos below, or you can just go to my channel. You see a video dedicated to candlestick patterns, and you could also use this indicator to actually give it to you without stressing yourself at all. So the name of the indicator is this. Someone called me or chatted me up some few days ago and I had to just give them this indicator. So it's one of the arsenals that I use, and I'm giving it out to you for free. This is the name of the indicator, Forex Buresco pattern. Don't forget that this chart is an MT5 chart. So this indicator works only on MT5. So good. So you add the indicator to your chart, then you place your stochastic here. You add a stochastic indicator, which is 20, 10 and 4. You can see the settings. K is 20, D is 4, your slowing is 10. How do we use this strategy? Simple and stressless. The first thing you need to do, number one, recognize your trend. Now, the moving averages 200 and 400. Number one, must for a downtrend, the 200 must be below the 400. Then for the uptrend, the 200 must be above the 400. It's as simple as that. Now in this particular scenario, you can see that my 200 moving average crossed here below my 400 EMA. Now the moment you recognize your trend, you only want to look for signals that are in the direction of your trend. What does that mean? It means since you are in a downtrend, you're looking for trades that are in the direction of the downtrend. That is, you're looking for sell signals. Do you get that? Now, so the moment you recognize your trend, which is number one, the next thing you want to recognize, you want to look out for, is your stochastic. You want to make sure that this is your stochastic. Since we are in a sell signal, you want to make sure that your stochastic has created a discount above here towards this 80 mark or above the 80 mark. You can see that it is overbought, so it will give you a discount in the market. So the moment you recognize it, you recognize these two things, this tells you that, oh, there's a possible trade that can come out of this. So don't forget, number one, your trend. Number two, the stochastic, to give you a discount, or some people call it pullback. I like to call it discount because it helps you to get into the market with zero or little drawback. Yes, so that is it. So now the next thing you want to do is, once you've seen your trend, downtrend, then you want to see this. You see that it has pulled to above 80, which is the overbought region. The next thing you want to do is you want to wait for your candlestick formation, that is your candlestick pattern. Yes, so you can see right here, you can see that here you have the bullish engulfing, here you have the evening star. Yes, let me enlarge it so that maybe so that you're able to see what it wrote right. Okay, you can see it here. Okay, sorry, that's not it. Okay, look at it here. You can see that we have the bearish engulfing, that is bearish, that is downtrend, and shooting star. This is the shooting star. It's a bearish candlestick formation, a candlestick pattern, shooting star. So you can see that. So this tells you that the market is coming down. You can see that this candlestick formation formed at this peak. That is when the market was overbought. It formed when the market was, but if you notice, this one was not overbought here, so I would have taken it. So you could have just, if you had entered your trade after this candlestick formation, this would have been where you would have entered. You could have made this little profit, or if you had waited a bit, you would have made the profit down to this level. Okay, so let's look at some more examples. You can see the same thing here. You can see what happened here. The candlestick formed here. You can see bearish engulfing. Then the price then went down. You place a sell here. After the candle finished forming, place a sell here. Then you ride this wave down. So you can see, okay, we don't have anything here. This formed along the downtrend. I would have taken this, but you can see this. You can see this one. You can see this one formed at this peak also. You can see this also. This formed at the peak. This didn't form at the peak, but I would have taken this. I would have taken it right here. Then have made your profit all through down here. So you can see the same thing here. You can see the same thing here. You can see the same thing here. So it's very simple. Okay, let's go to another market. This is boom 500. Let's see if you can get the same thing. You can see this is a sell signal, 200 below 400. You can see it's overbought here. Then you can see your cross, your bear cross. You can see your bear rami, bear cross, and you place your sell. You can see the same thing here. Same thing happened here. You can see your bear rami, you place your sell. So now you can see that we are beginning to get bearish signals. You can see bearish piercing, bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing. This tells you that the bear market is beginning to take its turn, it's beginning to get strong. So all you need to do is just to wait for your moving average to cross, that is the 200 will cross the 400. When it has crossed, then you wait to get a discount on your stochastic to the oversold level right here. Then to get your third confirmation, you wait for your candlestick formation indicator to give you, to tell you that, oh, there's a candlestick pattern that's formed there. Then right there you place your buy trade. It's as simple as that. Okay, let's see if we can get the buy trade somewhere. All right, this is a good one. You can see we have a buy trade here. Okay, all right, this formed when the market was already outside the oversold region here, so I wouldn't have taken it. Yeah, I must be sincere with you, because trading is about being disciplined. You must be very disciplined. So I would have actually taken this trade even though it was a profitable trade. So but look at this right here. I would have taken this one. You can see I would have taken this. I would have taken this. You can see this one's right here. I would have taken them right here. Which other one? This is a buy. Okay, any other buy signal? Okay. Disadvantage of this indicator is the moment the market passes through. Take for instance now, whenever the market, you see there were candlestick formations here, but because the market had crossed this level, that's retraced to this level, so it cancels out all these formations that are here. So but let me see if I can get them out. Indicator lists, I think I should be able to get them out. Draw lines, delete relevant patterns. Okay, let's make this false. All right, awesome. But you see, it's cumbersome, very cumbersome. So we actually don't need that. You actually don't need that. So we don't need that. So okay, make this true. Peeps. Okay, I think that's what we can make do of this for now. Just click OK. All right, so let's just see another chart. If we could, let's check. You can use the same strategy for, step index, volatility 75, any market that you want. You can use it for any kind of market that you want. You can use it for any form of market that you want. So it all depends on what the particular market you want to be based on. Based on the particular market that you want to focus on. So that is that on how you can actually be profitable using this candlestick pattern as confirmation, trading bull and crash. So if you want to get this indicator, just check the link below. Just check the description below. Click the description below. You will see, just read through the text there. You will see a particular section that talks about downloading the free indicators. So there are series of indicators that I've compiled there, but you'll be looking for that particular indicator, the name. You can remember I showed you the name, the Ash 4 Buresco, yeah, whatever. So you just look for that in the collection I created for you, then you download and you put it on your chart, and you can backtest it to see if it's going to be profitable for you or not. So I remain your boy Leke Cosby Finance, and if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe if you like this video, and please don't forget to give it a like and also share the video with your friends. And you can also join the Telegram group where we give signals on a daily basis. Yes, we give signals on a daily basis in our Telegram group. You will see the link to the Telegram group below, also in the description, close to where you see the link to the indicator. So I'd love to see you next time, and even in the Telegram group. Take care and bye for now.